This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have what you need: Outlook open and access to the Notes folder. First, switch to Notes in the navigation pane and click New Note to start one immediately. Give it a short, clear title so you can spot it later. Type the essential idea in the first line, then expand below. Once done, make sure to save or close so Outlook indexes the note. This makes searching and quick recall possible. Keep entries brief for faster scanning. Now organize the note so it's usable. Apply bold or bullets to create scannable sections, and add short headings for key items. Once formatted, assign a category color to make related notes appear together in filters. This saves time when you have many entries. You can also drag notes into subfolders to mirror projects, or pin high-priority notes to the top of the list for quick access. Make sure to rename ambiguous titles. Descriptive names speed up search and retrieval. Finish by closing the note and confirming it appears in search results. That ensures Outlook indexed it correctly. For long-term safety, export critical notes to a PSD or copy them into OneNote so you have a backup. If you need access on another device, confirm your mailbox sync settings, and that notes are included in Server Sync. If syncing fails, restart Outlook, check your Exchange or account settings, and re-add the account if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.